Ready to crush networking but feel like your shyness is holding you back? Don't sweat it. Check out Power Networking for Shy People: How to Network Like a Pro by author Rae Stonehouse. This ebook is packed with rock-solid strategies and step-by-step techniques that help you break free from the fear and become the networker you've always wanted to be. Over 40% of North Americans describe themselves as being shy. Would you? Would you rather have a root canal than attend a business networking event? Being shy isn't a personal defect. Written by someone who's been there and conquered it, this guide goes beyond the usual "just be confident" advice. You'll learn the ins and outs of effective networking, from breaking the ice to sealing the deal. Whether you're a networking newbie or just need a confidence boost, this ebook will give you the tools to own the room and the connections. Even if you're not shy, the fundamentals of relationship networking in this book will level up your game. So why wait? Get your hands on Power Networking for Shy People and start making those connections count.